Over the years, French car makers have maintained a remarkably close partnership with Iran. Take IKCO, for example, Peugeot's long-time partner. And believe it or not, there have been years when IKCO sold more number of Peugeots than Peugeot itself did in Europe. Sounds unbelievable, right? You can look it up yourself. Now, while Peugeot left a big mark, another French car had a massive influence in Iran's auto scene: Citroen Xantia. Standing in front of the Xantia, you can instantly feel that distinct French elegance. The nose is sharp, with the Citroen badge proudly sitting at the center. The headlights are narrow and slightly angled, giving it a confident but not aggressive face. The bumper design is simple, functional, and unmistakably from the late 90s. When you stand close, you notice how low the hood sits, a reminder of the aerodynamic obsession Citroën had at the time. From the side, the Xantia tells a different part of its story. The roofline gently slopes back, creating that classic liftback silhouette. The wheel arches are subtly flared, giving it just enough muscle to avoid looking too soft. The slide molding runs straight across the body, breaking up the mass of metal and protecting it from everyday scratches. And the proportions? Pure 1990s European sedan, long enough to command presence, but short enough to feel nimble in city traffic. Let's walk around to the back, and the Xantia greets you with a high tail and broad shoulders. The taillights are positioned high and stretch across the rear, making the car instantly recognizable from a distance. There is a subtle integrated spoiler at the top of the tailgate, not the kind you brag about for performance, but the kind that whispers about stability at high speeds. The rear bumper is simple, clean, and functional, a design choice that makes the Xantia looks timeless rather than trapped in a trend. I paid a visit to two Xantias in order to complete my review. The first one was a 21 years old car with a completely repainted body. As always, I asked the owner to go for a ride, and I decided to enjoy the ride on the passenger seat. Expectedly, the interior resembles the 90s design. Simple, practical, and attractive. The interior design is ergonomic friendly. All the features and buttons are well within reach of the driver. The owner tried to impress me by pushing the car to its limits in second and third gear. And honestly, for a 21-year-old car, it was impressive indeed. Xantia is powered by a 2000cc engine called the XU10, part of the same engine family widely used by Peugeot. If you recall, IKCO still uses the XU7 engine across the majority of its lineup in Iran. I also went to see a second Xantia, this time specifically to showcase its finest ability, the hydropneumatic suspension system. It was one of a kind. No other automaker had the guts to mass produce such a system. The car also features self-leveling suspension, automatic adjustment to ride comfort, ride height control, and even the remarkable ability to drive on just 3 wheels.